but oh, but the computer doesn't snap to bugs. The computer doesn't come along when we're working on bugs. It only comes along when we're working on other things. So I'll need to fix that. But other than that, I think it did actually work. Yeah, we do seem to be getting rid of our bugs. Uh, Except the fact that we don't. Whoa, how do these bugs exist before time? Oh, whoa. Do we need bugs to disappear? Whoa. Yeah, I hadn't thought about that. We kind of need bugs to. Most things disappear when you go back in. Most things disappear naturally when you go back in time. Bugs don't, though. Is that okay? I should just tone down the spawniness in general. What controls that? Spontaneous growth. Yeah, spontaneous growth is just way too high. Let's cut it down to like 0, 0, 1. And let's see. Yeah, let's just see how this plays. All right, so wow, still a lot of spontaneous growth. I mean, I guess it is spontaneous, so I guess it can come like come and go. Uh, However, it's a bug. It's a bug. All right, so yeah, I can control a lot of things, right? I can all right, so we're at the end of time. So now let's kick it. Let's kick time in the other direction. Eat that bug. Let's eat this bug over here. Oh wait, do bugs? Is there? Can bugs appear when time is going backwards? Can things in general appear when? Whoa! Wait a second. Yeah. Whoa. Wait. Oh yeah. That's okay. So I only actually meant for sprouting to happen when time was going. I only meant for sprouting to happen when time was going forward. So I should probably be clear about that. um. So yeah. I guess. Wait. How do I want to do that? I could just put the conditional inside here. That's a little sketchy, or it's a little janky to put it inside here, but nah, whatever, I don't care. It's better than having like 5 billion different loops. So, right, yeah, so if, oh, that's funny. Oh, I guess, I technically want negative verdance when time's going the other direction. Yeah, I hadn't really taken that into account. Um, hmm. All right. Yeah. Right. Okay. Yeah. No, I had just been doing it with all the other ones, and then I kind of forgot for this one. So growth. So yeah. So yeah. So this is like yeah. All right. So plus equals yeah. So when time is going forwards, it's oh wait, star cooldown? Oh no, this isn't based on stars. So this doesn't have to be. We don't have to take star cooldown into account, but we do have to. Let's see. Uh, we do have to say. Actually, we could just say times time speed divided by time speed. Oh no, time speed can be 0. So we don't want to divide by 0. All right. So yeah. So wait, hold on. So if time speed is greater than 0, then we add that in. Otherwise it's like the negative version of it. Otherwise it's same thing, negativized. So like times negative verdance mult, I guess. Sure. And then Yeah, so the spontaneous growth chance I'm not going to bother inverting. No, because things that spontaneously sprouted when going forwards will automatically naturally revert themselves when sent in the other direction. So I'm not going to worry about that. Oh wow, look at all this chat that I did not pay attention to. Sorry, just one second. Uh, um, uh, traveling back in time would make your mass negative and time would stand still. Once you reach singularity, you can't overcome time standing still. People used to think the world was flat. So, like, I'm not a scientist and I don't know what those things mean. I'm just saying, like, it's really easy to say things are impossible. It's a lot harder to prove that actually, wait, no, they're actually possible and true. So, I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just saying, like, the people who are like, nope, impossible. Um, it's like, have you heard no, I don't know. Just just think about like every time in human history. Think about literally every moment in human history. The further back in time you go, like the more ignorant people seem relative to us, which isn't to say that they felt ignorant at the time. It's not like at the time like everyone was like, it's not like in medieval times everyone's like, we're really stupid, look how stupid we are all the time, we're really limited in our thinking and just all around like ignorant and closed-minded. Like that's not what the world was like. They felt as intelligent as we feel today. So like thousands of years from now, like people are going to look back at us and be like, those people were idiots. Those people were ignorant, stupid idiots that knew nothing about anything. So, like, it's right. So, again, I'm not saying time travel is possible because I honestly don't care about that sort of thing. But I will tell you that one day, every assumption that we make about science is going to seem really stupid. So, I yeah, I just that's just what I think of when people speak in definite terms. When they're like, "No, this is an absolute. Like this will stand forever. This will never like no one will ever say otherwise. Like no one will ever prove otherwise." Um, yeah. Um, I so Pama, I don't know if you heard the part where I said I don't care. It's not like this information isn't available to me. It's just that when like people try and tell me this information, like I just don't read it. So I guess what I'm trying to say is I'm not going to be reading what you're saying in chat right now. Not for the normal reason where I forget to read what's happening in chat but I realize what you're saying and I don't care. So um so yeah, so like yeah, you can go back in time. You can go back any distance in time and you can find people who are really certain about things and we're like, no, like the you can never leave the planet because we live on the planet and the sky is a shell. But then astronauts happened and it was like those people were like, oops, oh well, I guess you can. So like yeah, no, we totally can't do all that stuff, I bet. And I again, to reiterate, I super care. Like I care really hard about all of this stuff. I'm so glad we spent any amount of time talking about this. Um, all right, so so now verdance happens backwards, which I guess is fine. Oh, yeah. Wait, technically, there's an order. Right. If I'm not changing the order, right, I'm not changing the order of operations here with deprecation and growth, which means that if it goes forwards and like if I reverse time, it's not literally reversing those operations. Because if I'm always calculating deprecation before growth, then that means that there's a slight advantage to one over the other. Right, because like if I literally wanted to invert these calculations, I'd have to do them in the reverse order. So I guess maybe I should be doing that, actually. Not that it's going to make a huge difference. I just don't feel like figuring out like what difference it would make otherwise. So I'm actually going to say I'm going to start with if time speed if time speed is greater than 0, and then I actually can reverse those things. Because the other thing that was occurring to me, like I'm going to do it outside of these other conditionals, because this is another effect on growth. And so I'll actually want to put all of these effects on growth first, basically. Or like in the right order. So like all the effects on growth followed by all the effects on deprecation, and then vice versa, right? All the effects on deprecation versus all the effects on growth. So sorry. um, okay. I skimmed chat enough to know. I skimmed chat long enough to roll my eyes, and then okay. So time speed is greater than 0. I guess I'll just oh wait, that else. Yeah. Yikes. Maybe I just shouldn't care about this, because, like, that stupid river bug. River bug! Uh, sorry. um, yeah, it's gonna be, like, it's gonna get a little hairy, so maybe I just shouldn't care about this. Maybe I should just do it the advantageous way. Which way is advantageous? Is it advantageous to calculate deprecation first or second? Like, whatever. I mean, I can bounce around it either way. So deprecation gets bigger. No, whatever. I'm just going to leave it like that. I really don't care. So save this. And then, right, so no, the only thing I have to do right now is just to so time speed has to be, greater than 0 in order for, okay, yeah, no, this is satisfactory. Like, if this was like a serious project that I was like, going to work on for like years or something, I would get the math right, like right. But I'm just going to get the math like good enough instead, because it's for one thing, no one's going to like play this game and be like, I think he's running those calculations in like the wrong order. All right. Oh yeah, I need to make a. All right, so I need to make the computer snap to. Snap to. Oh, so near. So like, what does I call it? Like near game. Yeah, near game. So right. So for this we have to say if component size is greater than 0 or if bugged, because if bugged we do want to snap the computer to it. Okay. So this or. Or dot bugged. Yeah. All right, so now the computer should snap to bugs. I think the spontaneous growth rate is still way too freaking high, though. It just feels like way too much spontaneous growth. So I'm going to divide it by 10 again, because like we don't need that much spontaneous growth. Oh, also, is it getting? It's like not reducing. It's like I'm jacking the spontaneous growth. Oh, right. No, because I put in a base spontaneous growth. Yeah, right. That's probably what's wrong. So what was that base spontaneous growth I put in? Because apparently even that is just way too high right now. So right. So yeah, I just put in a 0, 0, 1, and I guess apparently I should so like base spont growth. I'll just call it. Yeah, because apparently that's supposed to be a lot smaller too. So where did it? Yeah. So public float base spont growth equals 0. So 0.01, it actually 0.001 it was too high. So I'll put 0.0005 or like 0.0001 or something. We can try something really low and tune it accordingly. All right, so see how fast that spawns. Because like this is evaluating really a lot for like really many things. So, I mean, actually, I might even want to handle the base spontaneous growth differently. All right, so we did get a spontaneous growth, but also they're not disappearing. Actually, maybe it wouldn't be so bad if they. Yeah, no, you know what? I think I'm actually going to make it so that the spontaneous base the base spontaneous growth actually can go back up. I'll put it up. I won't put it up extremely high. I'll put yeah. I'll put I don't know. Maybe this is fine. And then I'm also gonna put yeah. So for the prefab, the initial deprecation I'm gonna put up to higher too. I'm gonna put it up to like 30. What is the deprecation max? The deprecation max is 30. So no, that would start it with a negative growth. So it'll put it up to like 20, 27 or something. Like, so like, because basically I want it so that they appear, but they don't stick around very long without help. But they stick around a long time. They're not gone yet. Why are they not gone? They just stay. They just linger. You jerks. Stop lingering. They're seriously just not disappearing? Wait, are they just literally just not disappearing anymore? I feel like... Whoops, no, don't change. I feel like we used to have them. But the growth... Well, the growth is going down. Wait a second, why is the deprecation going down? Wait, Wait, how's deprecation work? Lower deprecation is better? Wait, no, why is the deprecation going down? I don't... Wait, what? Alright, so some of them did eventually disappear, right? I kind of stopped watching, but, why is the deprecation going down? Just because of natural verdance? I guess. So maybe natural verdance shouldn't affect deprecation. Wait, it doesn't. Wait a second. What does affect deprecation? Yeah, yeah, no, natural verdance doesn't affect deprecation. It only affects growth. So why would deprecation be going down when time is going forwards? What? I do not understand. Wait, we're at the end of time and like nothing disappeared. What gives? Uh, did I do that intentionally? Maybe I just have like a inverted, I don't know what. What if this started at like 300? Let's see what that does. They should disappear pretty fast now. But they're not disappearing at all, despite the fact that they're initializing with deprecation of 300. What the heck? Deprecation is 3... Oh yeah, I guess there is technically a limit, so that even with a... Wait, deprecation started at 300, now it's at 4. What? What? That seems wrong. If deprecation is initializing to 300, how is it not actually initializing to 300? Alright, I paused it about as soon as it started. And... Yep, that deprecation is definitely not 300. So that's cool. That's... that's new and fun. Was it, Oh, wait, yeah. No, when we sprout something, what do we do? We do something with deprecation. We say deprecation. Oh, we hard set it. All right. Yeah, stupid. Uh, Wait, if deprecation is greater than deprecation init, we set it to deprecation init. No, we set it to deprecation init. Oh. Uh, oh, yeah, okay. So no, it's just that we need to do this on start as well. We just have to say deprecation. Yeah, no, because I used to be just changed. I used to only have one value here. And so I kept them kind of just... Alright, they didn't diverge. Yeah, alright. I added a new value, and then they've diverged. Previously, before they diverged, I didn't notice any difference, but yeah, okay, so now they... Okay. So yeah, so now a more reasonable value like 27 should work as well. Like 27. Yeah, because it's like deprecation. It was staying at -1 because it didn't know not to stay at -1. All right, so these ones, the ones that started the game, should disappear pretty soon. Still not very soon. Oh well, okay. So they didn't last forever. But all right, I guess I'll actually like start it at like 30. I guess. Or no, if I start at 30, it'll disappear almost immediately, right? Yeah. Alright, so I can't start it literally at 30, but like even starting at 27 is way too low, so let's start 28.5, I guess. Because 30 is the point where it actually like... Alright, so everything's happening too fast here, but like... We're getting closer. So maybe it was okay at 27. Maybe that was actually fine. Oh no, there's no verdants, and so... and we were really late in the project, so they're like all showing up as bugs. Alright, so yeah. That might have been almost okay. Wait, which direction is time going? Oh yeah, yeah. Huh. Yeah, things aren't actually sprouting. New things don't actually sprout when time goes backwards, but the things that existed when going forwards through time do exist again when going backwards through time. Yeah. Alright, so now it's about balancing the game, because like I think we have like basically all the game functions that we need. Yeah, so um, hmm. I guess I'm basically just letting the game run at this point. I'm just watching it run forwards and backwards. I think now that we have the bugs, I don't think we need the game to run quite as fast. Or like I don't think we need time to be quite as fast as it is. So the where is it? Wait, where's this game object? Oh, this is so this is sun. Where's this game object? Oh, this is plates, I guess. I don't know. Directional light. Yeah, whatever. What's a vent system? I don't remember putting that in. All right, so let's yeah, let's rebalance. So pre-Caroline, day length. Let's put it up to like 1.4 or 0.04, and then how long have I been streaming? Today I started at a little after 10, so I think I've been streaming for about like 4 hours. In general, I think I've been streaming for about 6 months. So let's do what? Yeah, all right. So let's balance. Right. So yeah, I can continue to balance the spontaneous growth rate. Actually, that might be okay. So let's punch this back down to like, I don't know. Let's try like 27.5, 27.75 or something. I don't know. Um, and let's try like actually playing it. Uh, oh yeah, I also I've made it so that we can teleport to bugs now, but I haven't tested that yet, so I should test that. I might want to take out some of the randomness, because right now there's like kind of a lot of randomness. Wow. Oh, I can't teleport to the bug. I can't teleport to the bug. Oh yeah yeah. Oh yeah yeah. Right. Size. Yeah, hold on. I have to go change size calculations because like I could teleport to the bug, except that I have size. Can I? I don't know. It might be that I'm just failing to teleport to the bug, but it could be because the bug has size 0. So when we calculate size, uh, so size is going to equal. No, I'm just going to say. So uh, if bugged size equals 1, otherwise or else we'll do this business here. Yeah. All right. Save that. Sorry, I'm not actually going anywhere. I'm just gonna mute the microphone for 1 second, but I'll be right back. All right. Pardon the delay. Uh, um, ah, sorry. I'm not. I don't. All right. I will stop looking at my hair, and then, therefore stop worrying about my hair. Um, I'll just assume I look horrible, hairable, torrible. Uh, sorry. Um, yeah. So I guess now can we teleport to bugs? Maybe. Well, I guess we'll need a bug before we can test whether we can teleport to bugs. Maybe I should decrease the natural spontaneity of these things and instead switch over to more of the verdant spontaneity. Because like look how tall these things are, and like they're not like encouraging any growth as far as I can tell. Like I don't know. Maybe that's fine. Oh, there's a bug. There's a bug too. I still can't teleport to it. Why can I not teleport to this bug? Maybe that's fine. Like maybe you don't need to be able to teleport to him. Yeah, I guess that's fine. I don't know if I need these grids to be 4x4. I could probably have these grids as like 3x3 instead. Because like, I don't know. They're kind of big. But that's an easy change. All I have to do is like just change one number. Oh, we're going backwards. Bug fix. Time to fix bugs. Fixing bugs. Fixing bugs. Fixing bugs. Fixing bugs. Oops. Fixing bugs. Fixing bugs. Oh, Robble robble. No, don't steal my precious development work. No, all my precious dev work. No, don't steal it. No, stop. Go away. Yeah, I did it. We did it. We did it. Alright, so now we can just send time in the other direction. Huh. I guess this brings us back to the situation where, yeah, I guess that was the other reason I had the project length or the day length shorter, is that when the day length was shorter, it didn't take so long to rewind through time. You weren't left with like these long expanses of yeah. So I should go back to faster days. Uh, and oh yeah. The next time you play through the project, it's going to be naturally much more verdant. Just because like all of those all of the ones that had a chance to sprout before will sprout again. So maybe, maybe how should I handle that? Maybe yeah, maybe I should put the rates back. So maybe when something despawns, maybe when like well, I don't really have a way to track that as of yet. But like basically when something despawns, I could make it so that when something despawns, I can make it so that its rates shut off. No, that would. Maybe I should make it so that when something. Huh. Now how do I handle that? When oof. I might want to make it so that you can't teleport to things that are like right in front of your face, because like that sometimes gets more annoying than helpful, I feel like. Alright, hold on. I should change some of the things that I said I wanted to change. Alright, so day length has to go shorter again. Day length, let's put it back down to like 0.15 or so, 0.015. Save that, and then oh, when did I place my donation box? I put the donation box there in like about a month and a half ago. It like never gets used, so I mean it gets some use, but like I put it in just because like there's no reason not to have it necessarily. Like if people want to use it, then cool, that works out for everyone. But like yeah, it's just like down there, and like I don't really talk about it or anything. So yeah, it's relatively easy to set up, although I was surprised by how much of a cut gets taken. Like I guess I should have expected it, but like the amount that gets donated versus the amount that you actually get is like not the number I was hoping for. But again, like I don't know. I'm not like yeah. I don't know. I don't necessarily regret the decision to put it in there. I think if I hadn't put it in, I wouldn't have regretted that decision either. It's like it's like a nice thing sometimes, and then most of the time it doesn't actually do anything. So I don't know. Sorry, I'll stop touching my hair. Okay. Okay, so the days are shorter again, and then what else do I want to change? I guess maybe I will. I'll put spontaneous growth back up to like 0.5 as well. So like it's just like right now there's basically like no sense of like verdance that I can feel. So I don't know. That's just weird to me. Should I try the game? Should I try smaller game fields? I think I might try a smaller game field too. So let's yeah, let's make it oh, I should probably, if this is something that I plan on changing a lot, I should probably like set a thing for it. So like it's like const int field width equals 3. So previously where we had we said like 4 for these things. We'll still have 4 of them, but let's have them field width by field width instead. And then so it could be, instead of -5, it can be like -1 minus field width. -1 minus field width. -1 minus field width, and -1 minus field width. Field width. Okay. And then yeah, so then we have to replace all those other 4s, because now when we loop over this stuff, I is still 4, but J and K are field width. And of course I'm gonna miss like a million of these things, and oh, whoops. Oh yeah. So range, yeah. So these are also situations where it should be field width instead of 4. I'm gonna miss some, and I'm gonna get like out of range exceptions and stuff, but whatever. I'll deal with it. It's telling me there's a 4 somewhere on this screen, and I don't see. Oh, frames 4. Yeah, no, that one's correct. Where it's telling me there's a 4 somewhere on the screen, and I'm still not seeing it. Oh, there it is. Oh, direction. Yeah, that one's fine. Direction. All right, so here's another example. Field width. Yep. These ones for sure. Doop-a-doop. These ones as well. Doop-a-doop. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. Those ones are not related. That's just a coincidence. Oh, these ones. Yeah, these ones do. These ones are field width. Yeah. Doop-a-doop. So let's yeah, we put a few of these in. So there are a few more left to replace. Comp direction? No, those ones can be 4s. Oh, am I back? I might have looped all the way around. Nope, not yet. I should sell this game for binary. Okay. Thank you. That is a very nice emoticon you've got there. Or is it donger? Is that what they're called? I have no clue. Wow, look at all these places that... Yeah, I did this loop like so many places, so I do remember doing that. So here is the part where I get to go through and replace all these stupid loops. All right, there we go. I think we made it all the way through. So let's see what out of range exceptions we get. Wait, did I save that? Save the changes. All right, and then let's see what weird out of range exceptions we get. Oh, I also want to resize the playing field because they're not going to actually take up that much space. Hmm? I think I'm going to increase this or decrease the star cooldown. More stars. Not that that was urgent or anything that I really had to change immediately, but doop-a-doop, doop-a-doop-a-doop. Look at us go. Look at us. Uh-oh, it's a bug. It's a bug. I'll worry about that later. Maybe, yeah, I should put in the, I'm gonna keep complaining about, like, the speed of time until Oop, time's going backwards. Doop-a-doop, fixing bugs. Wow, we got like no bugs. We got like no spawns in general. Why did we get so few spawns that time through? Maybe I should increase the bug chance. Cause like right now, maybe I should increase the bug chance and increase the speed of time reversal. Yeah. All right. Where's the part where we control the speed of stuff? Uh, where is it? It'd be in the input section. Be in the input section for dragging. Yeah. So time speed is going to be this value squared. Mathf dot pow so now instead of going twice as fast, it's going to go 4 times as fast. Let's see how that feels. So it's definitely more shaky. And I don't know. That could be good though. Wow. Time travel's dangerous. I might not need to make the screen quite so shaky. Oh, time's going backwards. Doop-a-doop. I might not need to make oh yeah, I was gonna make the bugs occur more often. More bugs. More bugs. That was the other thing. So more bugs. Bug chance. So right now it's 5. Let's put it up to like 1. Oh wait, is that how bug chance works? Did I just make it 100% bug chance? No, apparently not. Or wait, no, okay, I didn't. Okay. I need to increase verdance or something, or maybe just the spontaneous. Yeah, you know what? I keep cheating. I keep looking on this screen, and that makes the game way easier. Like when you can just look on the other screen, it makes the game way freaking easier. So I should probably figure out. Oh, time's about to go backwards. I should make it so that. I should make it so that. So that what? I should make it so that, oops, wrong way. I meant to go all the way back in time. Alright. Wait, which way is time going? Time's going, oh no, it's going, why is it going backwards? Stop going backwards. Let's go forwards. Time forwards. Why is time going backwards again? Go forwards, stupid time. Is that a bug, or am I just freaking out? What the heck? Why does time keep going backwards? Stupid time, stop going backwards. What the heck? Alright, well this is extremely broken. I have no clue what's happening right now. What the heck is the world time and stuff? No, stop. Wait. When I go backwards, world time goes up. What the heck? Oh, because I squared. Yeah, no, I squared the time, which means -2 became +4. It didn't become -4. Right. Oops. Forgot about that point. Um, all right, so time. So what am I actually trying to do here? Uh, uh, what am I actually trying to do? Um, so I can just say, yeah, I'll just say, right. So instead of doing mathf pow, I'll just say times absolute value of itself. So it's just going to be drag offset divided by 2. So drag offset times mathf dot uh, absolute value. Actually, yeah, actually maybe I'll say mathf. Uh, yeah, so mathf dot pow or mathf dot pow uh, mathf absolute value of drag offset offset comma time pow uh, so wait, if time pow was 0, then this would evaluate to 1, and so it'd be, yeah, okay. So if I feel like putting it back to how it was, which I don't think I will, but whatever, if I do feel like doing that, I can always just I can accomplish that. Alright, so now time pow, I'll set it to like 1, and that'll be the equivalent of like squared. And let's see how that goes. So I'll put this next to day length, because it's kind of related. Public float time pow equals 1 f. See how that goes. So now, right, so now time should go negative or positive at a rate of times 4. All right, so yeah, so what was the other thing I was thinking? So yeah, I think I can increase the game prefab. I think I could actually put this back to like maybe even lower than 27, maybe like 26 or something. Save that. Oh yeah, what was the so the thing that bothers me is that okay, maybe like right now, all right, that might be a bit. Oh yeah, wait. I meant to put the bug rate slightly down again. So like bug chance like 0.8 maybe. I don't know. All right. The so yeah the oh I can also make the game field pieces smaller now. Yeah, the thing that's irking me. So like yeah. Oh no, you know what I should do? I should like basically get rid of Sprout. Like I should not be using Sprout the way I'm using it. Instead, I should be like initializing. Yeah, that's what I should do. Is oh, interesting. Yeah, I should I should make it so that what? Oh, is time about to reverse? Okay, time's going backwards. I should make it so that nope, go away, stop. Uh, I should make it so that what was it? What was this thing that I kept trying to say and it was like not coming out of my face? Yeah. And so instead of sprouting things spontaneously, I can do that. I guess I can do that. Right? No, I should take out the base spontaneity. There should still be the spontaneity based on yeah. Okay. Yeah, base spontaneity is a stupid thing that should never have existed. Instead, instead, uh, I suppose you can make friends with a bug, right? There's nothing to stop you from making friends with a bug, hypothetically. The red squiggles are bugs, because we needed an antagonist in the game, and so I guess yeah, you can have a pet bug if you like, but the yeah they're I don't know, they're somewhat inhibitive to the development process. So like as you develop stuff, you like the bugs are kind of like replace other stuff that you could develop otherwise. Uh, huh. Is time about to go backwards again? Time's going backwards. No, kill the bug. Kill the bug and then let's get out of here. Alright, we're good. We're good. We're good. Did we get... I feel like we got like no bugs that time through. Alright, so I think what the game needs now is like consistency. I think more than anything the game just needs consistency. Alright, let's sprint back to the dawn of time. Doop-a-doop. We could probably go higher with the speed POW mults. Alright, and yeah, so now time can go forwards, and yeah, we just need more what? I guess some base spawn, whatever, like the sprout chance. I guess the base sprout chance is not like inherently evil, because like I was worried the game would get imbalanced, but like this game is not imbalanced right now. This game is, if anything, like a bit tame in terms of like, or like a bit challenging. Like it's a bit steep. It's like maybe something's wrong. Maybe like my math is backwards with the sprouting, because like if anything, like there are a few factors here that should have, if anything, caused copious amounts of sprouting, which is like all the verdants of like these like we have all these really like super tall ones like all over the place, and oops, get out of there. Yeah, I have no clue why they're not why more are not spawning. It seems crazy. Alright, time's going forwards again. Because like yeah, so right now the crazy thing about sprouting that like I keep saying like, oh, I should change, is that if something spawns like once in the timeline, it'll continue to spawn at that point in the timeline. Oh no, it actually gets stopped. Like yeah, if it gets resprouted like somewhere else in the timeline, then it's like its potential existence gets like overwritten. So I think I just have to really jack up verdants. I think I just need verdants to be a lot more powerful. Because, like, basically, I feel like that's what's lacking right now. I don't need the game to be, like, more... Oh, time's about to go backwards. Doop-a-doop. I feel like, I don't really need a... Yeah, I think... Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I've done a lot in this game so far, and that the game should, like, be doing more for me at this point. I'm also going to... I am going to reduce the size of these things, because these... can come down to like point 0.3, I guess. 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. Oh, I could have done those all at once. Why is it not selecting that one? Oh, it's selecting the canvas because it's a jerk. Don't select the canvas. Alright, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. Chaotic feature. Sorry, I'm slow on chat. So wait, so now this is supposed to be negative. Yeah, it's supposed to take off a decimal on each of these things, or like the halvesies on each of these things. So, no, whatever. I can do this one by one. All right, so this one, I guess I could do this programmatically too, in case I feel like changing the grid size again. Maybe that's why the game felt so empty, because I made the grid smaller without. Actually, yeah, that would explain it, because like. With the grid, like previously it was like 16 times 4, but now it's only 9 times 4. So that would scale things down significantly, like almost in half. Okay, yeah, so that would explain a lot. All right, so base spontaneous growth. Maybe base spontaneous growth is okay. Wait, was it? Yeah, base spontaneous growth, spontaneous. So like, maybe I'll double this one, and no, I'll increase this one as well. Because it felt very empty. Well, actually, let's see how it plays. What was the other thing I wanted to change? Bug chance? Nah, that was fine how it was. Day length? No, right, time pow. So let's put this up to 2. So now it's like cubed. So now it's like 8 times as fast, hypothetically. So like if we time travel forwards, that doesn't feel 8 times as fast. Oh wait, no, it's not. It's still as 2 and -2. What the heck? Alright, so yeah, I was gonna say, like, when it was hypothetically 4 times as fast, it didn't feel very fast, so what's going wrong there? Oh, derp. I know what's wrong. I'm still maxing it out at 2 and -2. Right. So no, the the max should be math f. I don't really have to do math here. I'll just say I'll say 2 no, I can just move that calculation outside. Yeah. Oh, nah. Whatever. Math F. Math F. Oh, wait. Yeah, no, I totally wanted to do this differently. I totally just want to do this differently. Alright, so yeah, so this is, I'll just do these in 2 steps, I guess. How many times did I retype that? Oops. Alright, yeah, so this part, I'll take this out of here, and, I'll just put it subsequent. So it'll be drag offset, so right, so that's back to normal, and so then we'll just say, time speed, time speed equals math.pow absolute value time speed yeah time speed or so times equals math speed times equals, yeah, I think that's fine. Let's see what that does. Alright. Doop-a-doop. Alright, so now it goes up to ×4. And that makes things go faster. Noticeably faster. Alright, let's see how that plays. Doop-a-doop. Dev. Oh no, we missed some. Oh no, there's back. Dev. Oh no, bug. Oh no, bugs. Bugs. The bug chance might be a little too high. I might also want to make it so it's not a chance. I might want to make it so that instead of a probability, it's like an inevitability. So like every 3rd time something sprouts, it's a bug or something like that. Because having it as chance is, it might just be too high. Oh, time's about to go backwards. No, not my beautiful work. Not my beautiful work. Doop-a-doop. Alright, we did it. We're bug free. It's kind of dangerous to stand where I'm standing. But there we go. Alright, we can work again. Game on. Alright. Yay, we're doing it. We're doing it. We're making stuff. Oh, look at all the stuff we're making. Look at all the stuff we're making. We're making stuff. It's wonderful. It's wonderful and we're making stuff. Oh, look at all these things over here. Look at these opportunities ripe for development. Look at all these development opportunities. Alright, so I think I could bump up Carolyn's dev power because I spend a lot of time standing next to stuff. Oh, time's gonna go backwards. Time's going backwards. No. It's really hard to not teleport later on in the project. Oh god, get out of there. Get out of there, Carolyn. Oh, it could be freezing time. Yeah, there we go. Ah. Pro mode. Alright. Uh-oh. Oh, I froze time again. I was like, what? What's happening? I should probably make it so that those stars like just disappear when I freeze time or something. Or no, I should make it so that the stars disappear when I teleport. Because I didn't do that, although I should have. And as a result, they can get stuck and like fly around weird places, and I think I don't appreciate that. I think I'd rather have it so that they just disappear, which is simple enough because I can just make it so that when you teleport, the stars get rinsed. Actually, I guess it's only when you teleport when time is going backwards and you teleport, right? Yeah, because if time's going forwards, then teleporting doesn't really matter. Uh-oh. Yeah, Verdance, I feel like Verdance must be broken or something, because, like, it just really doesn't do anything. It feels like. Maybe I should just make it way higher. Like, maybe I should just make this, like, 10. I wonder what that does. If you guess, like, breaks everything, then you're probably going to be right. It's probably going to, like, just fill up super fast. The board's just going to go crazy fast, fill up. Yep, look at that. But it's only making them taller. It's, like, Verdance multiplier isn't... It still isn't making them spawn more frequently. So that part must literally be broken. That just... Because that part, like, it just... Yeah, so, like, they sprout up faster when they're near other things, but, like, they still... Like, these ones that have tall ones in them should have been, like, completely maxed out, like, from the start. Like, right from the get-go. Alright, so either that value is, like, backwards, or I don't know what. Let's figure it out, though. Because it's like this subtle effect that I keep waiting for it to happen, and it's, like, I think right now the game is, like, pretty unbalanced, but it's especially agonizing just because of that. I should probably also, maybe once I get this ironed out, I should probably upload another build, because, like, we're getting there, you guys. We're nearly there. Alright, so where is it? It's like spontaneous growth chance plus base spawn growth. Time, delta time. Verdance. Maybe it's because delta time is factored in here. Oh, actually, delta time should factor into this value as well, now that I think about it. So, yeah. Should probably do that. Maybe that's why, I don't know. Spontaneous growth chance. Or did I bump up Verdance? Yeah, I didn't mean to bump up Verdance. Yeah, not Verdance Mult. Wait, what was Verdance Mult before? Is that like... I just like jacked it up, right? Oh yeah. Yeah, no, what I meant to do was spontaneous growth mult. Alright, let's jack this up to the sky. And see what that does. Right. Oops. So, yeah, okay, there we go. Good. Alright, so that does work. Yeah, because as soon as, like, something appears in one of these squares, they all appear instantaneously. So, they don't stay forever. They can fade out. But why is nothing appearing in these other ones? Oh, right, because I now... Right. Okay, so both these numbers are way off. So this is probably supposed to be like 0.1. They're probably both supposed to be like 0.1-ish, like somewhere in that range. So yeah. Oh, that's too high. So 0.1 is still too high. So let's try like 0.05. No, that was still super high. Oh, whoops! I keep changing the wrong values like crazy. What? Why am I so bad at this? No, balance. What the heck is balance? I forget what balance value is. But it was apparently supposed to be 100, so we'll leave it as that. So yeah, no, this was supposed to be like 0.1 and 0.1. Let's see what that does. Alright, it's too high. But better. Because it's like, alright, at least we're changing things and they're doing the things that they're supposed to do. At least. Alright, so, yeah, so 0.1 is too high. Let's try 0.05. Doop-a-doop. Actually, it's probably still super high. I don't know, this might be fine. Let's see how it plays. Doop-a-doop. Growing stuff. Yay, we're growing stuff. Look at us grow stuff. Doop-a-doop. We're growing stuff. We're growing stuff. Yay, we're growing stuff. Nothing over here. Why does nothing grow on that field? I guess because I just ignored it. I might want to decrease the bug rate at this point because we got a lot of bugs. Oh yeah, I was going to increase Carolyn's dev power. That was another thing that I meant to do and kind of forgot about. Oh, time's about to go backwards. How, I guess the time it takes to get rid of bugs is kind of okay. Huh. It's a little weird that, the only things with color are the red squigglies. I might want to make I might want to colorize the game objects a little bit. Wait, hold on. Did we get all of them? Yeah, we did. Alright. Maybe, huh. Nah. I was gonna say, Oh. No. I was gonna say... Yeah, no, I was gonna say a lot of things, but I don't care. No, let's just finish this game. Making stuff. Making stuff. Look at stuff. Yeah, I definitely need more dev power. Let's try dev power 10. Let's try like 30. That should help. Doop-a-doop. Oh, although development power also changes bug fix time. It's like with more dev power comes more dev responsibility. Why is nothing showing up in those squares? I guess it's like a curse. Oh, dev power works in the reverse too. Oh yeah, right, so wait, hold on. Let's reverse to the dawn of time. And like nothing's showing up in this square. Why is that? Is this square like cursed or something? What the heck? Nothing is showing up here. What the heck? Alright, well apparently this square is cursed now. I don't know what that's about. The game is like still too hard. Or like, I don't know. I like changed a bunch of stuff. And I thought that would... Oh. You know what might be the problem with this square? Huh. I don't know. But I'm curious to find out. I could probably increase the base verdance or the base spontaneous growth chance. I can probably put this back up to like 0.1 maybe. I don't know. Cause like that's the only reason I can think that square would be like completely empty. Or else maybe there's just legitimately a bug because there's just literally nothing spawning in this one. There's just literally nothing spawning over here. Maybe I accidentally turned one of those 4s into a field chance, whatever thing. No, this wouldn't have been the 4th one. This would have been the 3rd one. What the heck? Why is nothing spawning there? Oh, there it goes. Alright, so it's not impossible. It's just didn't seem to want to happen for whatever reason. Wait, how come I increased the base spawn growth and now it's like now like nothing's spawning? What? How does that work? I mean, I guess it is still all random, so it could just be that the randomness is giving me screwy results. Um, so maybe I should just like ditch the randomness and go with like something a little more measured. So like uh yeah, what would that be like? I guess like yeah, oh yeah, yeah. So for the spontaneous appearances of those things, I could go with huh. Yeah. So what if yeah, what if we chose like a random time, like a random world time, and then just went by world time? We can make it so that instead of yeah, so like so we could give each of the unsprouted game project pieces, whatever things, uh, a we could give them a specific world time, like in the entire week they have a fixed time, and they'll appear at that time, uh, and they'll always have that time. So every time you go through 1 week, you'll have at least one opportunity to get each of those things, at least once. Um, and so then, yeah, and then I guess verdance can just maybe verdance will decrease that time too. Maybe like verdance will maybe verdance will cause instead of increasing the chance, maybe it'll make that time tick faster or something. Yeah, that seems feasible. Uh, so let's yeah, let's shift in that direction. So development. So these things are going to have like a so like a public float sprout time equals, I don't know. It doesn't really have to equal anything for starters. Uh, so when we initialize these things, we're going to say uh, uh, so yeah, so we'll say games games jk dot get component dot or get component angly bracey thing development close brace thing parentheses dot sprout time time equals random dot value times 360 times day what was it? Why does autocomplete always forsake me? Day length times 7 uh actually maybe times 6. Oh yeah, so we'll still have to do spontaneous bug spawning. So maybe this the thing that we do for spontaneous. No, we'll probably just want to change how that goes as well. Uh, huh. All right. Well, we'll see. Um, all right. Yeah. So then, so save that, and then, so then when we're ticking time forwards, we'll say if it's their sprout time, then they shall sprout. Is this really the direction that I want to go? Because I mean, the other thing I could do is I could just regulate this as an aspect of growth, their growth values instead. So like instead of initializing them to be growth values are weird though. I mean, it could hypothetically handle it that way, but like it'd be a little hard to tune. No, I could do that. Yeah, maybe I'll just do that instead, actually. So I can just set their growth value. Yeah, I'll just sprout them all immediately. Oh no, that would change a bit of stuff. Wait, hold on. No, oh, right. So I'll just get rid of the sprouting. I'll just temporarily disable the sprouting in order to get this other thing figured out, and then I can figure out what to do with that. Right, because I want it to be like uh, so random.value. I guess I'll just call this like growth range or something. Growth range. Because public float growth range equals, I don't know, 1,000. I honestly have no clue what this value is supposed to be about. But right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna set what was it? Not their sprout time, but just their growth value, and then let's also, yeah, so let's deactivate the part where we actually sprout them. Let's get rid of this temporarily and get rid of the other thing temporarily. And then just default their rate to to 0.2 and 1, which is apparently how I have them set. Alright, so well, that was not what I expected. Oh wait, no, I know what happened. I made those numbers positive instead of negative. They're supposed to start with negative growth in that range. Yeah. Right, not positive growth in that range. So where was that? It's on start, not on update. Yeah. So right, so I guess times negative growth range. Okay. Oops. Or actually, I guess I can just set growth range to be negative. No, I'll just whatever. I'll just set it as negative growth range. All right, there we go. Hey, Akib, how's it going? Alright, save that. And now, let's see what happens. So now, the game runs, and let's speed up time. Alright, 1,000 is clearly too much. Oh. No, you know what's happening is, I need to be setting the deprecation to something equivalent. Because, like, right, I'm setting them all negative, and then they just, like, tank. They just tank immediately. So, so yeah, let's have, like, not any deprecation. Let's initialize deprecation to, oh, yeah, so deprecation is, like, negative 1,000, I guess. Is that going to ruin things? I don't know what that's going to do. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so that's actually working out okay. Except by the end of time, only like less than half of them had actually sprouted. So apparently that growth range is supposed to be less than like 1,000. It's supposed to be like 500 maybe? I don't know, let's see. See how that goes. Uh, uh, yeah, we're changing some stuff. Asado. Oh yeah, Asado. How's it going? Uh, yeah, so we changed a fair amount of stuff. Although the base of the project is still pretty recognizable. Uh, all right, this has to be way lower than 500. This has to be like I don't know, like 200 or something. Um, yeah, because like, all right, that might have been too low. No, that might be okay. Uh, yeah, we did it. All right, so 200 might be a little too low. But I still need to get the deprecation thing. Do I really want to go in this direction with it? I might be happier with the other way. Like the other way was a little weird and it was like very prone to randomness, but this way might be a little weirder, like not better. Uh, you should be getting a tweet now. Let me see. Uh, doop doop. So, uh, you no, you have to do both halves, and it looks like you only did one half. So now you have to tweet at Trusty Bard. You have to say at Trusty Bard. My Twitch name is Ekibyu, and then he'll tweet back to you. You have to do both halves. That was the new follower noise. No LR. Welcome to the channel. Thank you very much for following. Yeah, let's do what? Yeah, do I want to continue down this path? It might be easier just to like not instead. Like I don't have to go this far with it just to I could do yeah, I should be doing something else. All right. So let's undo what we just started doing here with this crazy business. So get rid of growth range or whatever. Yeah, I think what I'll do instead of just so to temper some of the craziness without having to like completely redo everything that we've done. I'm just instead of having Sprout like calculate individually for each of those like little whatevers, it's gonna happen just on intervals instead or in addition. Hey, Aglikos, thank you very much for following. Welcome to the channel. um, did it work? Doop doop. It's So wait, hold on. Yeah. So now it should have worked. So if we go to replies. Yay, look at that. Success. Lovely excursion. um, okay, so what else were we doing here? I think that was everything that we meant to do here. I think yeah. So right. Let's save this. Let's undo some of the weirdness that I did over here with like changing these values and stuff. What are you doing, weirdo inspector? Be normal, please. Deprecation and knit. What is this supposed to be? Oh yeah, this was like a 26 or something. Deprecation. Were the rest of these okay? I think the rest of these are okay, I guess. Probably. I don't know. I forget. We'll find out. If things get weird, I'll find out. Oh yeah, did I uncomment the sprout? Sprouting, good. I brought that back. Okay, good. And good, go away. So now the game is back to like roughly how it had been before, right? They just like appear spontaneously. Huh. That's kind of a lot of them. Is that just weird coincidence? Why is this one never get picked? Why on earth do they never appear in this one over here? That's so weird to me. So weird. So weird. Wow, look at all these bugs. Should probably clear these out. Actually, I don't need time to be going so fast. It's a lot of camera shake too. Ah, bugs. Bugs, bugs, bugs. Uh, what? There's got to be a bug with that. There's got to be a bug with how this one like never gets things. Like it just uh, yeah, you Oh yeah, so just sorry, quick departure with SideQuest. Yeah, you don't even technically have to link to Twitter to play SideQuest. Then I do recommend it just because if you link to Twitter, Trusty Bard will tell you like when you level up and stuff, and I don't know, it's just kind of I think it adds to the experience. But yeah, technically, in fact, everyone who's in this channel right now has a character in SideQuest. Some people see their name tags, whereas other people don't see their name tags. But that's only because in order to see your name tag, you have to have said something in chat. And yeah. All right, what the heck is up with that? What the heck is up with that? That thing where there's some are appearing in this corner. Wait, but now none are appearing in this square. Seriously? What is up with that? Is there always just gonna be one square where they don't appear in? Because I might just not care. I might just like seriously, like that can just like go. Why? Why? Oh. Oh, I bet I know why. Yeah. No, I better know why. Alright, and I better know how to fix it too. Uh, it'll be really easy. I just, so on start, when I'm doing this like 1 through 5 thing, I'm just gonna do 1 through 4 instead, and it's not gonna be, the first value is not gonna be random.range. The first value is gonna be I. So we're gonna start with 1 in each thing. I think because of verdance, like, if you don't get 1 in each of these squares, like, the likelihood... Well, again, I just need to change how verdance works. Yeah, because it's really imbalanced now. Yeah, right. Okay. Yep. That's what it was about. Verdance might be too strong right now. Verdance and deprecation might both be too strong. So I'll try toning both of those down. Verdance multiplier, so let's put it down to like 0.07, 0.0007. Actually, let's put it even lower, 0.005. But then let's also tone down deprecation a little bit. So deprecation rate can be down to like 0.75. So things don't... Actually, let's even put it down to 0.5. Let's cut both of those things in half. And also, yeah, let's do the thing to change the... Oh, wait, is there any info about my future projects timetable or something? If you have a question about them, feel free to ask. But in terms of, like, what I plan on doing in the future, like, I have no idea. So, if you ask me about my future projects, I'll just tell you, like, what's probably most likely at any given time. But then also, I should probably mention that any answer I would give you is also highly subject to change. So I make no guarantees about any of that stuff. All right, so spontaneous growth, base spontaneous growth needs to be higher. No, I'm getting rid of this. So hold on, I'll fix this instead of like worrying about like the little details. I'll just fix it so it's better, and then I can worry about it. Then I can worry about balancing it after I've done that. All right, so we're gonna have so there's gonna be... I might just get rid of... Nah, this is fine. Okay, so public float... Yeah, maybe I'll just put base spontaneous growth down to 0. Keep the verdant spontaneous growth a little bit. And then put, like, this base spontaneous growth on, like, a separate system. So, like, so public float, sprout, cooldown, equals, I don't know. We should have a new sprout every, like... Oh, this goes by world time. So what is the how long is the week? Like how long is a day? Wait, if it runs at real time, then world time runs at real time too, right? Yeah, okay. So we can just go like every like 3 seconds or something like that. So sprout cooldown will be like 3 seconds, uh, and then float sprout time, uh, uh, and then oh wait, but this goes by world time. Yeah, that's fine. Because sprout time only happens when time is going forwards. Yeah. So whenever we sprout, we take a timestamp. Oh wait, but then what happens if time goes backwards? Oh. So... Huh. Actually, I guess we don't need to take the time. No, we do. And then every time we go backwards, we have to... Okay, yeah. So anytime... Okay. So yes, float sprout time equals... Wait. Maybe... Ugh. I don't know, man. This is really weird. I guess this is fine. No, this is gonna be fine. Yeah, no, this is gonna be totally fine. All right, so spread. uh, sorry. Okay, the weird thing about how we go forwards and backwards through time. If we go, let's say we go through time once, and let's say each day one thing sprouts, right? This isn't how it's gonna actually be. But like, let's say each day one thing sprouts. If you go back through time, you'll actually watch those things. Like, so let's say each day one thing sprouts, and they last for like half a day, and then they unsprout because they didn't get attended to. So one thing sprouts and then disappears, and then one thing sprouts and then disappears, and one thing sprouts and then disappears, and so on and so forth. So by the end of the 7 days, like 7 things had sprouted and then disappeared. If you go back through time, you'd see those 7 things like unsprout and or like unsprout or like re-unsprout or whatever. You know, you'd see it happen backwards. So then if we went forwards in time again, you would see those same things again. But you could you can lock yourself out. Like, maybe I should just get rid of base sprout and just keep verdance. That seems really hardcore. And it could... Maybe I shouldn't be worrying about this stuff so much. Maybe I shouldn't worry so much about consistency, and instead I should just get instead of trying to get like every like piece of the game consistent. Maybe I should just get all right. So I'm gonna, instead of trying to get like literally every like random die roll to like work out perfectly well. Maybe I should instead just focus on getting Alright, that's way too much verdance. Not even too much verdance. That's way too much of this. Spontaneous growth. So let's put this down to like 0.1. Because it was just out of control. I assume it was that factor that was out of control. Or maybe it's just the spontaneous growth in general. Yeah, it might have been both of those things. Actually, this is fine. This is totally legit. Nothing wrong with this. There are a lot of bugs, though. Maybe I should decrease the bug rate. Decrease the bug rate, and other than that, everything's fine. Oh, time's going backwards. Time's going backwards. Oh yeah, yeah. Sometimes I was like, why does it take so long to fix bugs sometimes? And then I remembered it was because if you're working on multiple things at the same time, then it it reduces the rate. Wait, what? Why are we not? Oh, I wasn't close enough. I was like, why is that bug? Okay, yeah, because if you work on four things at the same time, it takes as long as if you worked on four things individually. Uh, but then they all disappear at the same time. All right. So yeah, less bug rate, uh, and all right. Yeah, this is fine. This is actually totally good. All right, I was freaking out over nothing. It's actually fine. I just need to decrease the bug rate a little bit. Actually, maybe I don't even have to decrease the bug rate. I don't know. I'll upload a build and see what you guys think. You guys can tell me what needs to be done. I should get rid of these bugs. I've gotten in the habit of just like letting time go all the way to the end and then time go to the start again. But maybe that's a bad habit. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's part of why the game keeps feeling so inconsistent. Is because I'm playing it wrong. Let's go get rid of that bug. Yeah, I should be fixing bugs more proactively. Let's not save our bugs to the last minute. Let's be professionals about this. Huh. Ugh, bugs. Stupid bugs. Stop. Stop bugs. Ah, bugs. Ah, bugs. Maybe I should give like a grace period so that after you fix a bug, it takes like some amount of time for the bug to come back. Like it can't come back too soon. Because like if you fix a bug and it just keeps coming back, that's like obnoxious and should be illegal. Maybe I should actually, you know what I should probably do is I should probably not make it so that the bug rate changes over the course of the project. Because if you do that, then like it just that's not necessarily fun because that just makes it so that that just makes you want to that just makes you want to cheat time and like always stay at the beginning of the project. So yeah, I should probably take that out. And it'll just be a consistent rate across the entire length of the project. Yeah, because otherwise, like people like myself who like to min-max like that. Yeah. All right. Other than that, oh hey, Asado, were you? Are you still here by chance? um, I I noticed you popped your head in earlier, but we never actually looked at your stuff, which is in the game and working. If you're here, I don't know. But yeah. All right. I basically won the game. I think I basically won the game now. I have one bug. I have one bug left to fix. And once we've done that, then don't come back as a bug. Don't come back as a bug, you jerk! Stop coming back as a bug. No, stop coming back as a bug. Stop coming back as a bug. It might be that there are some bugs that are just basically unfixable. No. No bug is unfixable. Right? Yeah, there we go. Fixed it. I don't want to tone down that shaky cam a little bit. Because that's a lot of shaky cam. That's some shaky cam. Oops, no, not that. Don't do that. Yeah. Alright, so this is basically done. Pretty much done with the stuff. But yeah, I was gonna turn down the bug chance a little bit, so like down to like 0.6 or so. And was there other things that I was going to change? I think that was basically it. Oh, I could bump up the development power a little bit more. Cause I thought I did. Oh, maybe I did it in play mode once, and I forgot to redo it when I left play mode. Doop-a-doo. Doop-a-doo. Alright, that place is doing alright. Oh no, bug. Oh yeah, right. I was gonna take out the bug scaling. Right. So let's go to where we sprout. And down here, yeah, so the whole world time, blah blah blah. Instead, let's just do bug chance. 1 minus bug chance, I guess. And definitely have to change that value, because I definitely changed what that value means. Bug chance should actually be, yeah, it's not actually like 60% should be bugs. It's actually closer to like 20% should be bugs. Maybe actually probably even lower than that. Probably like 10% or fewer. Doop-a-doop. Doop-a-doop. Wait, if you click, oh, that's funny. If you click off the screen, it for some reason it makes you walk towards the makes you walk downwards. Doop-a-doop. Uh-oh, bugs. Okay, fixed it. Doop-a-doo. Oops. Oh no. It's really easy to accidentally do two. It's really easy to accidentally like do damage. But I guess you just have to be careful about that. Uh-oh. Is it gonna do that thing again where like these things never sprout? What are my conditions for sprouting? Maybe I should revise them. Wow. Everything was really slow. And then all of a sudden, Shazam. So maybe I won't worry about the inconsistency. I know there's definite inconsistency. I won't worry about it right now. I was gonna tone down the screen shake as one thing. Screen shake. Wait, no. What is it? It's it's not just, turbulence, right? Turbulence is the the value for how shaky the screen shakes. That's less upsetting. It's still very shaky, but it's less upsetting. Okay. So cool. Yeah, I should upload a build. Oops. Oh yeah. I should upload a build or something, because like this is really close. Really close. Alright, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Doop-a-doop. Build settings. So I'm gonna switch over to face cam for just a moment. So let's make that build. Build that build. We'll call it build 50005, which is actually the 6th build, because of reasons. And I will upload that to the internet as well. And create directory 0005. Rename this file and transfer these over here and transfer them over here as well. And yeah, okay, so if anyone wants to try out the current build, it's now online at the usual place, which I will link to in just a moment. Let's switch back to screen cam. The usual place is binry.tv/DOAB is the dev name of this project. So feel free to give that a shot. And yeah, I think this is like, yeah. So I wanted to. I didn't want to run to the clock. Like I wanted to like finish the project early, because yeah. there's always stuff to do. So if you guys want to let me know what bugs are like the worst and what bugs you want to see fixed the most, uh, I'm all ears. And uh, otherwise, I guess I'll. I mean, I have some idea of like what I do know other things that can be done on the project. Oop, time's going backwards. Do 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 do. Oops. Hmm. Yeah, I think I know why sometimes those squares like just get like completely like wiped off the face of the earth. I think I know why sometimes like sometimes those squares get like depopulated and like never repopulate. Uh, yeah, and it has to do with like the sprouting logic, which I think I'm just gonna change. Actually, maybe it's fine. It might be fine. Might be totally legit. I just I just want to try it out to see how it's like it's hard to tell by one playthrough. That's like the I guess that's like one of the tough things about like going by systems design and so like designing systems rather than just designing content is that like systems can like I don't know. No, I mean I guess like not all content you can tell like the state of 100% like just by like at one glance, but like with systems you definitely can't do that. With systems you really just have to keep playing through them like again and again and again and again and again in order to really get the full story. Hmm. Maybe maybe like reverse time or like the maybe fast forward and rewind. Maybe they shouldn't be like a state that you can leave the game in. Maybe they should just be a like a temporary thing that you can do like while changing the speed of time. I should probably space these out a little bit actually, now that I think about it. Because like it gets really hard to navigate through them when there are so many. Oops. Oh no. Time's going backwards. Oh wow, I'm sorry, I've been on my other computer. I've just been like clicking at it on my other computer for a really long time, so I apologize because that was probably way more boring than it had to be. Hey Lumpex! Hey, welcome back Lumpex! The once and true Lumpex. Glad to see you back in your final form. All right. So yeah, I think everything's magically fine forever. Ship it. Ship it. Yeah, we got past 100. We got past 1,000 followers, which is cool. Uh, Thank you everyone for following. Uh, and yeah, we're like right at the end of a signal jam. Like I don't know. I think we hit like all of our objectives, and I mean, there's definitely stuff that we could do. Uh, but I don't know. Like at this point, it feels more done than anything. Uh, Maybe there are too many bugs. Maybe there are still too many bugs. Because like bugs aren't fun. So yeah, there are too many bugs. So I'll tone that down. Bug chance. Let's put the bug chance down to like 1. Yeah. Because otherwise they just get really irksome. And oh yeah, I was gonna say I can make like I can make the things wider. Like, I could spread them apart further, and then it'd be easier to walk around through them without accidentally teleporting all over the place. Doop-a-doop. I should tone down verdance again. Not like all of verdance, but like, I should tone down, the sprouting verdance, whatnot. So, do I like jerky? Yeah, sure. I like jerky. Um, yeah. Yes, I do. I guess that question did not take long to answer. um, Usually if I don't have anything that I was planning on talking about, I'll elaborate on an answer, but that one didn't have much. It didn't take long to fully, succinctly, figure that one out. Oh, the stars. The stars. Doesn't really matter, but the stars go in the wrong direction sometimes. Or they like go to like their ghost targets, which no longer exist. Oh wait, why am I going backwards? I'm supposed to nuke the bug. Yeah, there we go. Ah, more bug. More bug. Oops. Fix bug. I could put in that thing about how if you get a bug, you're less likely to get a bug again. I might want to increase the speed of time travel again. It's like higher than ×4. Like I want to put it up to like ×8. Yeah. Oh no! Don't do that! Don't do that! Because you can move really fast, but it still takes a while to get from one side to the other. Oops. Excuse me. Okay. So. Oops. No, what am I doing? Oh, I'm ruining everything. Oh no! Stop. Alright, so let's try a few small changes. Was it where was it? Where was the one where it let me time power? Yeah. So what if this is 2? Oh yeah, I'll just tone down turbulence again. I should probably keep turbulence like fixed, but oh yeah, no, I can do that easily. I can make it so I don't have to keep changing turbulence. Where is it? Screen shake, yeah. Oh wait, no, not here. Wait, yeah? Yeah, no, right, yeah, okay, so screen shake, yeah. I just put this, above the multiplication thing, and so I can stop having to rebalance turbulence every time I change that other thing. I can just put it back to 0.05 and it'll be good. 0.05, yeah, and then right, so time power, yeah, so even now that time power is 2, it'll still all right, that could be better. Because now time goes really fast if you make it go really fast. I might want to decrease. Sorry. I might want to. Oh wait. TV Colgan hosting for 15 years. Thank you very much. Welcome everyone. We've been working on a collaborative on-stream game jam the past few days, and I was just I'm just surveying our work. This is, I guess, yeah. So for anyone who's just seeing it for the first time, I'll give a quick tour. This is this game is about Caroline. Caroline is a game developer. These are the game projects that she's working on. I'm not much of a 3D artist, so her game projects are very representational. They're basically just represented as these little stacks of spheres. I don't even know what that means exactly, but yeah, there you have it. And then you will notice though some bugs crop up. Oh yeah, I was gonna change the color of the game projects just to make them a little more interesting, because the bugs are like very bright, whereas everything else is very plain. Yeah, so I should do that. But yeah, you can. So Caroline has her trusty computer, and she can go around. She can actually teleport too, because one of the one of the things we decided we wanted for this project early on was we took a vote, and one of the important things was time controlling time, and teleporting. Oh yeah, right. We can also control time. That's another thing we can do. You might notice that Carolyn's walking backwards right now, and that's actually because time is flowing backwards right now. So when time goes backwards, that's when you have an opportunity to like fix your bugs. So that's why you notice I'm like walking around and getting those things eliminated. But all right, so now I've reached the dawn of time once again. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I am quite fond of my mustache as well. No. So, yeah, so now time's going forwards again, and you can speed up time to make it go super fast, or you can stop time. And stopping time is kind of helpful, because then you can pinpoint your bugs. You can just eliminate them very cleanly without disrupting the rest of your project. You can stop time just to save time and make more precise movements if you wish. The way it plays is that oh, this is online too, actually. So if anyone wants to try it too, I'll put a link to it in chat. It's binry.tv/doab, DOAB. That was just the dev name that I gave to this project. Yeah, there are still a few quirks. Oops, I didn't mean to actually stop it. Oops, whatever. There's still a few quirks to the project. Oh, so yeah, actually, before I forget, let's add a color to this. Wait, how do I default material? How do I edit shader? No. I just want to add a color to this thing, but it doesn't seem to want to add a color. I'll just maybe I'll do that like at runtime or something. Maybe like no. Yeah, maybe I don't know. Maybe they can just change colors intermittently. Sure. I don't know. That's weird, and I like it for no particular reason. So they'll just spontaneously change colors. So let's just add a script to this thing. New script. So this will be just pod.script. I don't know. Whatever. No, go. Alright. Stop telling me things. I don't care about those things. Why would you tell me those things? Alright, so pod. Why did it not open your script either? Oh, here we go. Okay. So on update, so these pods will just have, I don't know, like shift, float, shift, time equals 0, and on update, if if shift time, I should make a public variable for a public float for the cooldown, public float shift cooldown equals 0. Or no, let's say 2. Hey, that's the new follower, nice. DV Colgan, thank you for following and welcome to the channel. Thank you again for hosting too. I very much appreciate it. So we're shifting colors. the shift cooldown will be roughly 2. I'm also going to add randomness to it as well. So it'll be like, so if shift time is less than time dot time. This is like not the most efficient way I could be going about doing this, but this is a jam project.